Cate Blanchett is an Australian-based actress as well as a theatre director, who is best known for her role played as Elizabeth I of England. Inside Shekhar Kapur's 1998 film entitled Elizabeth. For her performance, she got a global recognition. Early life. Cate Blanchett was born in the year 1969 to Australian-based mother named John and American-based father named Robert DeWitt Blanchett. Her mother served as a property developer as well as a teacher. Whereas her father has served as United States Navy petty officer and later served as an advertising executive. Her birthplace is Melbourne, district of Ivanhoe. Actually, she is known to be a middle of 3 kids. Her elder brother worked as a computer system engineer, whereas her younger sister has worked as a theatrical designer. While she was of age 10, her father passed away due to a heart attack. So her mother raised her family on her own. The actress' ancestry includes some Scottish, English, and remote French origins. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 14 May 1969, Cate Blanchett is 53 years old as of today's date, 16th May 2022. Her height is 1.74 meter tall and her weight is 56 kg. Career. Cate Blanchett started off her career by getting initial major stage role opposite Geoffrey Rush. Inside the year 1992, David Mamet play entitled Oleana dedicated for the Sydney Theatre Company. In the same year, she was to feature as a Clytemnestra within a production made for Sophocles Electra. Awards and achievements. In 2014, Cate Blanchett got nominated for a Best Actress Academy Award on account of her role played in a 2013 film entitled Blue Jasmine. In her career till now, she has received a total of 3 Screen Actor Guild Awards. 3 Gold Globes, 3 BAFTAs, as well as 1 Academy Award as a supporting actress in the Avatar. Net worth and salary. As of May 2022, Cate Blanchett has an estimated net worth of $95 million. She has made most of her fortune with her career as an actress, as she is a highly regarded Australian-based actress and a theatre director. The actress has landed her initial film role in the year 1994. And since then, she has gone on to attain the great successful and productive career. The actress has achieved dozens of awards due to her role played. As a Queen Elizabeth in the year 1998 movie entitled Elizabeth. From that point onward, film roles started to pour in her resume.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun